Mula po dito sa probinsya ng Pampanga, nandito po muli ang mga young and upcoming superstars ng Philippine basketball as we are here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, the home of your Pampanga Delta, as we continue with your SLAjuniorPhilippines basketball tournament. Born 2001 po ang mga laro natin for today, and our second game for today will feature the matchup ng Norte kontra sa Southern squads here. The Southern team of the TGC Santa Rosa Lions, led by the 32 points of this man, Nico Aguilar. Gusto nga niya na makabingwit naman ng kanilang unang panalo dito as they go up against Dwayne Miranda and the debuting Hustle Rising Stars dito po sa loob nga ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. It will be the matchup of the TGC Santa Rosa Saints going up against the Hustle Rising Suns. Magandang araw po, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. My name is Alvin Tañada, and with me is former Batang Gilas guard and the rising or the shining prince himself, our SLA ambassador, More Prince Alaw. Magandang araw sa iyo, Prince.
Magandang araw po, Coach. And hi guys, I'm More Prince Alaw po. And now, I'm ready to see some more talents po here sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Yes. Oo, excited nga tayo dito, Prince, kasi nga may mga kilala ka dito mga players dito
actually,
from one side. So
both teams.
Yes, also excited nga tayo makita dito and makita pa natin at mabasa mo pa yung laro ng parehas na koponan. And syempre kasama natin later on magbibigay ng mga kwento sa atin si Francine Kapili. And syempre like and share our Facebook page SINAG Liga Asya, and also subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channel SINAG Liga TV. And ito nga po, itong parehas na koponan natin dito, one already got their debut last Sunday, habang ito ang isang koponan niya gustong mag-debut on a good note. And let's take a look at our participating teams para sa ating Born 2001 tournament. As you can see here, we have 7 teams dito, Prince, led by the Pampanga Delta. And then we have AJTP Basketball, and again TGC Santa Rosa Saints and San Pedro Mamba andyan din, and then the Parañaque Pelicans, and then Hustle Rising Suns, and also LUID 1 Kapampangan. So 7 teams yan na gustong makakuha ng titulo ng Born 2001 ng ating SLAjuniorPhilippines. And punta na tayo dito sa ating game story for today. New beginning dito. And we're talking about new beginning for both squads. Bakit nga naman itong Hustle Rising Suns debuting here in our tournament, Prince, habang itong ang kupunan ng Santa Rosa, gusto nga nilang kalimutan na yung unang talo nila. Gusto nilang masimulan ng bago itong ating tournament dito.
And talagang masisimulan nila ng maayos yan and maganda kung makakabawi sila sa mga lapses nila nung last game nila. And by defense, offense, doon nila makukuha yung panalo ngayon.
And let's talk about yung last game nga nitong Santa Rosa Lions Saints, wherein they lost dito sa Parañaque Pelicans 102-112. And not enough bullets yung kanilang naging storya doon. Kasi kinulang talaga sila dito. You can see here, the numbers not in the favor of Santa Rosa Saints. At kanina pinag-usapan na natin dyan, yung bench production, malaking bagay kasi yung laki ng bench production na nilamang na itong Parañaque Pelicans.
Para makapagbigay din ng pahinga sa mga starters at makapagbigay din ng kumpiyansa sa iba't ibang team, ay iba't ibang players ng teams nila para makapagbigay sila ng kanilang mga matutulong sa team para manalo.
Yes, and Nico Aguilar led the scoring there with 32 points on 6 out of 10 from 3-point distance. And Coach Dave Gomez will surely look upon itong si Nico Aguilar once again to lead the scoring.
Magaling talaga si Nico. Talagang nagkalaban kami niyan NCAA juniors namin. Basti siya, beda ko. Talagang masasabi kong magaling yan. And
talking about now the other squad, tatawid tayo dito sa debuting Hustle Rising Suns. And you can see big names here in the lineup of the Hustle Rising Suns. And let's take a look at their team lineup dito. And as they are led by Coach John Ross de la Cruz, isang kilalang coach nga dito sa Norte. And you can see names such as Dwayne James Miranda, Leighton Buenaventura, and Rojan Montemayor. Those three names part of the FEU stable.
Yeah. And talagang magaling yung mga yan. And hindi lang sila actually, pati yung mga bench nila, kilala ko sa mga liga labas yan at may mabubugo yan, Coach.
Yes, and kaya nga excited nga tayo na makita yung mga manlalaro na to na nanggaling dyan sa stable ng Hustle Rising Suns. At alam ko, di na tayo makapag-antay dito. Let's go to our starters to be introduced by Ram Valid Bakbakang TGC Santa Rosa Saints and Hustle Rising Suns.
Good afternoon once again, mga kasinag. We're coming to you live from the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to SLAjuniorPhilippines, born 2001. Presented to you by SINAG Liga ASYA. We're also live at SINAG Liga ASYA social media platforms, SINAG Liga FB page, and YouTube channel at SINAG Liga TV. Powered by Converge ICT Solution. Our second game for the day 2 of the competition, it's the battle between TGC Santa Rosa Saints and your Hustle Rising Suns. And now let's meet the protagonist. First, for your TGC Santa Rosa Saints. Point guard number 95, MJ Homo. Shooting guard number 25, Nico Aguilar. Small forward number 10, Kenneth Javier. Power forward number 17, Josel Cardeño. And center number 5, Joshua Amadeus. Head coach for TGC Santa Rosa Lions Saints is Dave Gomez. Assistant coaches, Charles Sarmiento, Chico Katipunan, Eds Cuanco. Team owners, Mr. Dave Gomez and Toledo Group of Company. Your TGC Santa Rosa Saints. And now let's meet the starters for your Hustle Rising Suns. Point guard number 2, Tristan Tufangi. Shooting guard number 55, Nixon Gamboa. Small forward number 13, David Alfano. Power forward number 30, Alan Dave Santos. And center number 24, RJ Camono. Head coach for Hustle Rising Suns is John Ross de la Cruz. Assistant coaches, Dan Bautista, Philip Gray, Peter Aguilar. Team owner, Mr. Mars de la Cruz. Your Hustle Rising Suns. Game official charge in action. Anthony Roque, Jong Panayat, and Dennis Esgaros. This is your SINAG Liga ASYA. We are one.
And let's take a look at the starters for both squads. Para sa TGC Santa Rosa Saints, you have Homo, Aguilar, Abadejos, Javier Cardeño. Para sa Hustle Rising Suns, you have Tobangi, Gamboa, Camoro, Alfaro, and Santos. Yan nga po ang starters for both squads. Alvin Tayana together with more Prince Alaw and Prince. This is an exciting matchup.
Yeah.
A good appetizer para sa ating huling laro later on for the Delta Cup
Yes,
Finals
sir.
Game 3. So excited nga tayo dito to start off this Sunday. And Gamboa misses the 3 there, pero babawi ulit na isa pang 3 dito. And rebounded here by Santa
Okay.
Rosa. Mukhang itong sa Hustle Rising Suns, mas gusto nila yung tumitira sa
Yeah.
labas.
Actually, dun napansin kong kumpiyansa sila sa mga shots nila. And yun yung tinitignan.
Miss there, and the jumper rebounded here by Nico Aguilar.
Ayan, nakalaban ko rin yan si MJ Homo.
And there is an offensive foul here. And the foul will be called on Cardeño. Pang-una nito ni Jarzel Cardeño.
Sa pool siya, no? Sa pool.
Oo. Sabi ni Cardeño, he was just standing.
Yeah.
Pero the referees saw it otherwise. Let's take a look at that. And medyo
Ay,
gumalaw
yung
kasi siya.
tagilid, yung gilid niya kasi yung tumama. If it was the center, it was a good call.
And good replay there by...
Another shot.
and that's a 3 ball there by David Alfaro.
Okay.
And kung titingnan mo there is no, kumbaga, wala dito yung FEU boys to
Oo.
start off the ball game. So, nakikita mo yung bench nila kung gaano kalalim if you have those FEU boys.
Ganda din ang pasa ni MJ doon sa ilalim. Point guard talaga yan.
Yes, oo. And MJ Homo will be a important
Another
factor here.
one, coach.
Another 3 here. Pasok na naman yan.
Grabe na.
And they live and die with a 3 ball. Nixon Gamboa with a 3.
And ngayon, transition. Oh, turnover.
Yes.
And ngayon, they're gonna attack.
Ito, stop muna tayo dito. They go back to Tubangi. Goes to the
Another
corner.
one ba?
Alfaro rather. Alfaro with the drive, no good. And you can see your consistency nila from the outside. Maganda. Pero the problem is, when they go inside, dun sila nahirapan. Dahil nandun
Kumakolaps na.
Oh, collapse ng defense. And Tristan Tubangi will be called for the foul. And you were talking about this guy, but let's take a look at this lakas-stress of the game. Atin sa inyo ng Sun Sports, the official ball of your SINAG Liga Asya.
Pero mahirap yun, Coach. Tumitira ka ng tres. And syempre, pag tumira ka ng tres, malayo yung babounce ng bola. So, easier for the opponent to have a fast break point. So, kailangan bumaba agad sila sa depensa.
Homo now with the second free throw. And you're talking praises about this guy, MJ Homo. And mukha naman, he is a good point guard here to backstop itong si Nico Aguilar.
Actually, they're a tandem talaga eh. Ganda ng
Nice
pasa.
pass, nice find there by Tubangi.
Same play lang kay MJ kanina.
And you can see, itong mga kaedaran mo, sabi nga natin mga kaedaran mo, kaya mas matanda lang sila sa ng 3 years. Pero you can see, itong mga orchestration nila, ito. Inside, they go outside, then go back to inside. Walang tigil yung kanilang pasahan.
Ay, napansin ko dito sa hustle, talagang may sistema sila.
Yes, and yun yung maganda dito kaya sa pinapatakbo sistema nito ni Coach John Ross de la Cruz.
Yun lang, it was a soft pass.
And they run the break here. Sidestep, the beauty of that sidestep. That's good here.
And nakabawi agad si Nico doon, Coach.
Yun lang ang problema. Masyado sila nakascore, pero pinabayaan nila dito. Pero ngayon tingnan natin yung mga storya na dala ni Francine Capili. Francine?
We build players is the quote written on the back of Hustle Rising Suns coaches. And as they debut today for SLAjuniorPhilippines as a newly built team, assistant coach Dan Bautista said that they came into this game to play as a team and as a Hustle family. And of course, a mix of good defense and trust in their team and system will be their key to hustling their way to the top. Now back to you, Mer and Alvin.
Thank you very much, Francine. And ito nga nung parehas na kupunan. You can see, the run and gun.
Yeah, back and forth, back and forth.
Ito, MJ Home. And MJ Home mo, nakita mo, 4 yun nandun para sa Hustle, Rising Suns. Pero, pinabayaan niya
Yeah.
Tinakbo pa rin niya.
Which is yun yung maganda sa kanya, Coach. Attack to score.
And right now, Alfaro, the 3. And no good here. Pero Alfaro, another rebound, and he gets the ball back. Extra passes here.
Good rebound.
Pero good rebound there para dito sa Santa Rosa. Homo running it. Homo, the scoop and the score.
Sabi ko sa'yo, Coach, magaling yan si MJ.
And MJ Homo, a very good point guard. para dito. Now the question will be, what will the offense run pagdating ng mga latter stages pag umupuna ito si MJ?
Actually, hindi lang siya yung score lang, coach. Talagang magaling niyang pumasa and mag-facilitate.
And talking about facilitating, double-double performance for MJ Homo in their last loss against Parañaque. 14 points, 12 assists as MJ Homo scores on that lakas drive of the game. Atin sa inyo ng converge. Doble na, dinoble pa. And Alfaro will shoot 2 here. And having 12 assists in a game, being a point guard, how big is that for a confidence? Lalo na sa'yo, you are a point guard,
Yeah.
dishing off 12 assists.
Actually, coach, nagkaroon ako ng same stats with MJ, PBA D-League, semis against Perpetual. I had 12 assists. At that time, Mark Nonoy was there, Evan Nele was there, and I was just dishing it to them.
Ang sarap siguro, no? Yung 12 assists ka, nakapasa ka, and the confidence of your teammates na, sige, bigay mo sa amin, titira namin.
And as a rookie, kailangan ma-please mo yung veterans mo eh.
Yun.
So, kumbaga, pogi points ako sa kanila. No?
Yung mga kuya mo, no?
Oo.
Isipin ng mga kuya mo, sige, amin na, bigay mo sa amin.
Shoutout kay Mark Nonoy sa aking kuya.
And syempre, mga kuya mo dyan sa Lasal. Syempre, shoutout din kay Coach Topex.
Yes, sa aming tatay.
Oh, access denied there.
Pero
Good
syempre,
block.
dahil nasa Pampanga tayo, shoutout na natin si Superman.
Oo.
Jonel Policarpio.
Jonel Policarpio. And that was a nice block there by John Carait. Siyempre, Jonel Policarpio coming off that Pampanga stable also.
Ganda ng pasa.
Nice pass. Yun yung kailangan workout dito. Nito ni Cabaluna. Because he was wide open. Or rather, itong si Beato, he was wide open inside.
Ganda ng pasa ni Nico doon.
Yun ang magandang easy 2 points dito. So, it's 14-12, 2-point lead here para sa Hustle Rising Suns. 4 minutes and 51 remaining here. They go drive inside Santos. Na depensa ang maigi. Alfaro, no good. And easy 2 points there.
Malaki.
For Beato. At si Beato, binawi niya yung kanyang
Ganda ng takbo ni
miscommunication.
Javier doon.
Pero kita mo, laging silang may ganong klase ng play, no? Itong Santa Rosa.
Si Javier, coach, teammate ko yan sa Pilipinas, PYD sa Malaysia.
Wow. So, ayan na, mga nagiging kakampi ni
Oo.
Prince Alaw. Ito mga to kuya mo, eh, no?
Mga kuya.
Oo, si Prince Alaw po nasa, 18, 19 years old lang po ito si Prince Alaw. Siyempre, si kuya niya, yung coach po ng, LEAP. 22 lang, no? Si Coach Ernest.
24 ata siya.
24 ba? Binubuko naman natin masyado si Coach Ernest. 22 lang, eh.
Eh mukhang may magsasab ha. Kilala natin.
Ito na inaantay natin. Mamaya papasok para dito sa Hustle Rising Suns. Once a dead ball as Homo
Ganda!
noise move. Kaganda naman nun.
MJ. Homo.
MJ Homo.
Siya nagsisimula ng opensa nila eh.
Catalyst talaga siya. The Tubangi. The pass, the 3 ball on the way. That's money once again. Oh, that's a 3 ball there.
Pangalawa niya
Nixon
na ata
Gamboa.
yan. At
Yes.
takbo ulit.
Kita mo, balik agad sa opensa, eh, no? Na kahit
Yeah.
lamang sa depensa itong Hustle.
Basta may nakita,
Oo.
tatakbo eh.
3 ball naman dito, no good para kay Javier, rebounded by Beato. 3 minutes and 10 remaining here. Tubangi, the drive.
Oh,
No
he
good.
was challenging Nico there.
Ito, Homo.
Takbo ulit.
And Homo, the pass there. And nahanap kagad yung Tubangi yun.
That was a sloppy pass by MJ right there.
And ito, another sloppy pass there. Aguilar.
Akin na to,
Ayun.
sabi ni Nico.
Kita mo yung Aguilar, kakanan, dinala sa kaliwa. And that was a fine play there.
Tama. Sabi niya, kung papasa ko to, baka mag-turnover ulit eh.
Oo, yun.
Ako natitira. What a
Inside,
nice play.
nice.
Oh, I think it was a goaltending. Yeah, it was a
Yes.
goaltending. Ayan na. Dwayne Miranda, pumasok na.
Ito na yung tinatawag nating FEU trio. Papasok na. After we come back from the timeout, it is 23-18, 2 minutes and 29 remaining here in our first quarter.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
And taking a look at the Hustle Rising Suns, ayan nga po, Dwayne James Miranda. And si
Ito kasi edad ko na to.
yes, pero ito si Dwayne Miranda is the son of
Denok.
Coach Denok Miranda, who we would like to congratulate syempre for being promoted as the new head of basketball operations ng buong FEU program, no?
Wow.
And syempre, congratulations then to their new head coach, Coach Sean Chambers.
Bagong sistema yan.
Syempre, teammate ng ating commissioner na si Commissioner Rodney Santos. Over before in Alaska. Kaya nga very happy for the program of FEU na medyo umaangat na rin.
Ito si Rojan, teammate ko to sa Beda before eh.
Yes, Rojan Montemayor. And kasama rin nila dito si Leighton Buenaventura, big man. And Dwayne Miranda, the pass there.
Mukhang natapilok pa si Dwayne.
Di naman, medyo nadulas na ng konti si Dwayne Miranda. And substitution here. Los Bañez now will check in para kay Javier. So it's a 5-point lead for the Hustle Rising Suns. Miranda inbounding. Pass up.
Ano si Leighton.
Leighton Buenaventura, 2 minutes remaining here. Miranda. Miranda.
Ganda.
And the teardrop
Simple
of
lang.
Dwayne Miranda.
Simple lang itong atabs ko.
Dwayne Miranda really showing that he too is a point guard that can play, and that's a foul there. The foul could be on Beato.
Ganda eh, no? Kung di siya i-score, isa-set niya yung teammates niya.
And, kung napanood mo dati si Coach Denok Miranda, si Coach Denok is more of a bulky point guard na pass first and bihira umapensa. Pero ito si Dwayne Miranda is more of a scorer.
Yeah. Kaya nga, scouting report ko dyan, send left.
Dwayne Miranda, syempre, very much a tough point guard. As we take a look a while ago at Coach Dave Gomez of the Santa Rosa Lion Saints. Or the Santa Rosa Saints. And 25-20, a minute and 30 remaining here. Dwayne Miranda, pass to Montemayor, Rojan Montemayor. No good, and rebounded there by the Santa Rosa Saints. Uy, nice move there. And 3 ball on the way. Wala yun para kay Los Bañez. Rebounded by Montemayor.
Oh!
Leighton Buenaventura, pero that's a turnover there.
That's a careless pass right there.
And 25-20 the score now. Ito, palitan pa rin ng tao. James Balili will check in para kay Gamboa.
Yun lang.
Toledo, nice drive.
Bilis ng first step mo muna.
MJ Toledo reminds me of somewhat like a Fran Yu.
Yeah,
Ganyan,
Fran.
payat na maliit lang, pero the way he steps up,
Bilis.
bilis din.
Oh,
And Miranda nahihirapan doon sa depensa. Double team there as that's an offensive foul called on Dwayne Miranda.
tulad nga sabi sa amin ni Coach Topex, less dribble, less mistake.
Yes, pasa mo na.
Oh, na-screenan si Leighton.
Ginamitan ng screen mula sa referee, no?
Good D. Good D.
Balili. Nice steal there by Dwayne Miranda. Miranda, the drive. Inside, no good for Dwayne.
Di lang na-convert.
Los Bañez, the pass here. The teardrop and that
Ganda.
one-hander mula dito kay Dave Panelo.
This guy reminds me of Raven Cortez.
Yes, yun.
Piso-piso lang.
Piso-piso. Easy, ano siya, payat, lean. Pero he can really be a perimeter guy.
Actually, kaya mag-20 points lang ni Raven ng floater-floater lang eh.
Pag nakakuha talaga ng pwesto, yun si Raven Cortez kaya. Just like itong si Dave Panelo. as a timeout is called now on the floor. It is a 1-point lead para sa Hustle Rising Suns. They would like to draw one good play with 3.8 seconds remaining.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
And SLA goes to Visayas for the SLA Born 2004 and Born 2007 for interested teams. Please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or contact our Deputy Commissioner for Visayas, Mr. Paul Oven, at 0917-855-5565. Malapit-lapit na po yan. Ikaw ba? Sasama ka ba dyan?
Pwede.
Pwede. Pero tingnan natin muna, magtatapos sa first quarter. And instant offense mula kay Rojan Montemayor coming off a
Grabe.
timeout. Good play mula dito kay Coach John Ross de la Cruz.
executed.
Oo, good execution mula dito sa Hustle Rising Suns as they take a 4-point lead after 1 quarter of play. It is 28-24 to end our first quarter of action. At magbabalik po tayo for the second quarter of action dito po sa inyong SLA Junior Philippines, Born 2001.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Is a virtue, according to head coach Dave Gomez for Santa Rosa Saints, as the team's mindset stays the same, to take it one game at a time. No pressure parent to his players is what Coach Dave said. What is important is ma-develop nila ang kanilang team chemistry and they will reap the rewards after. Now let's see if patience can lead Santa Rosa Saints to their first win. Now back to you, Moran Alvin.
Alright, yan na. Starting off.
Thank you very much, Francine Capini, to start off our second quarter. Oh, yun, bumangga si Los Bañez doon.
Grabe yung hassle
Yun,
niya
oh!
doon.
And easy 2 points there.
What a dunk.
Para kay Dave Panelo. And you were talking praises about si Dave Panelo.
Yeah.
Somewhat like your teammate, Raven Cortez.
Si Raven siguro dadakdak yung may buwelo. Pero yung kanina, walang buwelo kasi. I was shocked.
And that was a good play dito mula kay Raven Cortez. Let's take a look at that play once again. Nawala na yung bola, pero tinan mo yung pasa ni Los Bañez to a wide open dito kay Dave Panelo. And Dave Panelo scoring inside.
Oh, good fake.
Good fake
Make
there.
that.
Yun lang,
Oh.
sayang. Wala kay Dwayne Miranda.
Adi,
Leighton
yun lang.
Benaventura.
Yun lang.
Pero you can see those kinds of plays. Parang ang sakit eh, no? Bilang isang player, nakuha mo na yung bola, tapos nawala sa'yo without a defender na katabi mo.
Opportunity to score na sana, nawala pa. Dwayne tries it again.
Miranda, one more time. May green light to shoot eh, no? Si Dwayne Miranda.
Which is yun yung maganda as a player. When you're given the green light, just take it and believe it na masushoot yan. And good
Uy,
pass!
nice pass yun, no? Ang ganda naman nun.
He just did the goggles thing.
John Carait with the score there. Alam mo yun, ang daming mga gagandang pasa natin, no? All throughout the ball game.
Yeah, actually kanina pa, first game.
First game natin, gano'n na rin.
Good hustle. Good attack.
The drive there, inside, and the score there para dito kay RJ Camoro. So, palitan ng puntusan dito para sa koponan. Los Bañez and the basket. Do not be deceived with his wide body.
Yeah, do not judge a book by its cover,
Yun,
people.
oo.
I was shocked as well.
And let's take a look at that drive. Ano mo?
No, that's a power move, coach.
And yun ang tinatawag na lakas drive
Yeah.
of the game. At sa inyo ng Converge style, doble na, dinoble pa. The true meaning of lakas drive,
Yeah.
by Los Bañez.
Coach, remember Elopsa in their first game?
Yung first game.
He reminds me of Montemayor right now.
Yun, yung mga gawa nito nila Montemayor,
Yung energizer ng team, alam mo yan?
Yung mga dinadala niya yung simple points lang, kayang tumira, kayang rebound.
Yeah.
Ito, Leighton Buenaventura with a basket here.
Leighton has that talaga. Oh, miscommunication sa defense. Good step back.
Shot there. And almost in there,
sayang.
Leighton with the rebound. The pass, masyado lang maagap yung pasa doon. Nahuli. And the drive, uy! Almost. But there's a foul. Di na natin narinig yung pito eh.
Di na. Actually guys, kung nandito kayo, sobrang puno na yung gymnasium ni Gov Delta.
Yes, the BREN GUIAO Convention Center is jam-packed. Yan o, nakikita mo sa likod nito.
Oh.
Habang nag-free throw, nandiyan na po yung mga tao. Dahil
Nakatayo na sila guys.
Hindi na po sila makapasok dito sa loob. Because this is just an appetizer to what we will be expecting later on in our main game. The main game which will be our game number 3 ng ating Delta Cup 2024. Bakbakan ng Apalit, I Love It, kontra dito sa Level Up Lubao. And that will be a classic. Kung kahapon, very much a classic. Ano pa ngayon? Pero Leighton Buenaventura scores para sa Hustle Rising Suns.
I remember Leighton was one of my teammates sa Gilas ko. 16 na under.
Yeah, Batang Gilas, yes.
2019. Kaso di nagkatuloy kasi pandemic hits. Sayang. Pero he has that.
Yeah, Leighton Buenaventura is a big man. Talagang magiging malaking bagay siya dito sa koponan ng Hustle Rising Suns. At sigurado pahirapan yung team nyo for this for the next UAAP season. They go to the top. The fake there, the pass.
Good fake,
Nice
good
fake.
fake.
Ganda nun, kaya lang napigilan pa rin.
Good
Oy!
fake again.
Pero
traveling.
umangat yung pivot eh.
Yun
Nitong si Karait.
Not gonna lie, coach, yung 5 ngayon ng Santa Rosa, parang ang babata pa, no?
Yes, hindi mo isipin 23 under ang mga players natin, born 2001.
Ganda ng pasa. Kinanan pa, coach.
Pero traveling.
Traveling din ba?
Alam mo yung pivot foot niya?
Yeah.
Parang masyadong napapaibig yung mga players. Pagkangat ng pivot, uy, teka lang. Wala nauunahan.
Pero ang gaganda ng moves nila, hindi lang na-finish na.
Eto, 3-pointer on the way. No good. Rebound
Good
by
effort
Balili.
by Balili.
And Miranda, dribble set. Miranda.
Sa kanya na daw,
nice
sa kanya na
move!
daw.
Ang maganda yung seal ni Leighton Buenaventura kaya nagkaroon ng opening. And on drive nito
I
ni
think
Miranda.
he was Gortat that time. That's what you call Gortat screen.
Yes.
And a block!
Uy, nice block by Leighton. He does it on the other end. Another intangible in the other. Uy, ang ganda sana nun.
Sayang.
And we go down the other way here. And a steal here.
Ayan na.
Rojan Montemayor. The pass to Miranda.
Sa kanya
Miranda. To Rojan. And Rojan Montemayor scores.
Grabe. Ngayon dito makikita yung experience pag naglalaro ka sa isang eskwelahan na maganda.
Yun, oo. And the systematized school as we take a look at the lakas grab of the game at sa inyo ng True Religion
Parang
Philippines.
parang pasa ata yung ginawa ni Dwayne dun.
Yun nga eh, masyado, sabi niya, dito naman si Rojan eh, no? To
Yeah.
get
To
the
clear up.
rebound. Yes.
Ayun lang, sumundot. Kaso nagkatuloy na nga.
Dwayne Miranda na.
Good
Oh,
pass!
nice pass!
Oh my
Ace
God!
Everything but the
Sayang.
shot there. Toledo. And sabi ng Santa Rosa, let's settle it down. We go on the drive. Toledo, the pass.
Oh.
Ito, Panelo. This is not his range. He wants to go inside. Shot lock at 5. Panelo,
Meron
susubok
ba?
ang 3. Wala. Rebounded by...
Grabe si
Leighton.
Leighton, no? Maasahan mo sa rebounds eh.
And the fans right now are shouting here. And bakit nga naman hindi? Mga kababayan din nila to itong Hustle Rising Sun. Balili with the pass, and that is a traveling violation.
If I were Balili, I would have like a floater na lang.
Inangat na lang sana niya, no? And substitution here. And
Who's this?
player number 88, Angelo Valioso. So isipin mo, nilabas mo si Los Bañez, pinasok mo
Good
isa pa.
pass. Points
And
agad.
guys,
I jinxed it.
alam mo, ang daming magagandang pasa lagi nitong pareha sa koponan. No? Hindi lang nila nakukumpleto. Rojan Montemayor, no good on the 3.
Medyo nagmadali si Rog dun, ha?
Ito ngayon, drive inside and another miss. Another block there.
Oh, that di niya na sinalo.
And nakikita mo dito, the defense now is starting to build up for both squads.
Yeah. Actually, that's the reason.
And let's take a look at that first one. That's a good defensive stop. At ito yung sumunod sa likod si Balili.
It was Balili against a big man, coach. Good pass.
Rojan sa kanto. No good. That's short. And
Good
nice stop
effort.
there by Rojan. Pero nakuha dito ng Santa Rosa.
They have to convert this.
MJ Toledo.
CJ Delfino, is that
Wow.
you? CJ Delfino, is that you?
Let's take a look at that one more time. That lakas moment was brought to you by 0107 Management Group Incorporated.
I think it's the shoes, coach.
Oo.
I think it's the shoes, coach.
Mukhang narinig niya eh. Sabi niya kanina, pinag-uusapan niyo ba ako na parang ako Franyo? Eto, parang Franyo talagang gumalaw.
Parang ang narinig niya ata, CJ Delfino eh. Delfino yung galawan nun eh.
And right now, Balili will settle it down. Siyempre, special thanks to our very supportive provincial governor of the province of
Yes.
Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Maraming salamat sa iyong suporta sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Sumablay na siya doon.
Pero good that Steven Cabaluna nandun to help etong for that offensive rebound. Santos naman sa kabila, baseline, jumper no good.
Hustle needs to make their shots.
Yes, bumahabol na to Santa Rosa.
That's
Pero
offensive.
Yun, offensive foul
That's an
yun.
offensive foul. Extended yung kamay niya and Layton sold it. Good job.
And even Coach Dave Gomez, napa-oo na lang doon kasi nakita nga niya.
Eto na, shooter ng Hustle.
Eto, let's take a look at that play one more time. You know, binabahan niya eh, no?
Binabahan niya.
Alam mo, pag yung more Prince Alaw ang gumawa nun, minsan hindi nakikita eh.
Minsan di nakikita, kaya dalawang sunod offensive foul eh. Pero pinasok na yung 55, coach, which is nakadalawang 3 points na yan.
Yes, Nixon Gamboa, binalik na nga dito. There's a foul there. And let's see the foul will be called. Angelo Galoso will be called for the foul. 3 minutes and 32 remaining here. And penalty, itong Santa Rosa. So 2 free throws dito for for Hustle Rising Suns.
Layton needs to make these 2 free throws para mas lalo silang lumayo na.
Oo, kaya lang, syempre, mintis pa free throw. So that's what he needs to work on in the free throw shooting niya.
Katulad kanina sa LUID is baka nape-pressure niya sa dami ng tao na nandito ngayon.
Oo, and hopefully mamaya mapakita na yung direct mic na yung dami ng tao dito. Yung para makita natin dito na hindi naman tayo nagbibiro kasi nakikita nila dito sa screen. Open chairs there.
Yeah.
And those will be later filled up later on. Oo, so basket yun dahil goaltending daw. So tumama na yun doon. And then bonus free throw here para dito kay De La Cruz, Joaquin De La Cruz.
Guys, para lang alam nyo, may nakikita na akong drums sa taas, guys. Siguro para sa mamaya yan.
And De La Cruz, he missed that free throw, but he got his own rebound and he tried to make a basket there. And that's a mortal sin, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa kahit saan, na ikaw yung free throw shooter, ikaw pa yung nakaget ng offensive rebound.
Coach De La Cruz is really mad at that.
Ay, si Coach
Oh, we still
John Ross
missed
de la
it.
Cruz. Oo. Isipin mo De la Cruz yung nagpi-free throw. Sa kabila, Coach John
De la
Ross de la
Cruz.
Cruz, hindi rin naman naging masaya doon.
They have to box out this and run.
Second free throw here. And he makes a free throw.
Timeout.
And Coach John Ross de la Cruz tatawag dito ng timeout dahil tabla na nga tayo sa 39, 3 minutes and 19 remaining sa ating second quarter.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
As we take a look at the crowd, eto po, ang dami ng crowd dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Akala nyo po kanina yung bakante na yun na green, hindi pa po yan napupuno dahil mamaya, ayan yung crowd natin sa itaas. Yan po ang mga nag-aabang ng ating main event for this Sunday triple header. Bakbakan niya po ng Apalit, I Love It, and Level Up Lubao, who will take home the championship for your Delta Cup 2024. And if you have seen the game number 1 and game number 2 na very intense, paano pa kaya mamaya sa game number 3? Pero ito muna tayo. Ito, intense din yung laro natin dito between Hustle Rising Suns and itong Santa Rosa Saints. Pero that is a foul there. Leighton Benaventura will be called for the foul. 3 minutes eksakto ang natitira dito. And Beato will check in. Papalitan itong si Leighton Benaventura. At kahapon niya po yung ating viewers sa Delta Cup 2024. 27,000 viewers. Yan po ang mga sumuporta sa ating game kahapon. Facebook lamang po yan, ha? Facebook, wala pa po yung YouTube natin through the Pampanga PIO. So, paano pa kaya kung isama natin yun? More or less, nasa 40 mil yung ating mga viewers all over the social media platforms. Pero again, mamaya po abangan ninyo yung laro natin na ang finals. It will be a fun matchup later on at 5 PM. Pero mukhang kung nag-iisip po kayo na pumunta po dito sa BREN GUIAO, mukhang mahihirapan na kayo makapasok dahil sa punong-puno na nga po ang ating BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Dahil nga po sa laro natin na inaabangan ng lahat. Later on, Apalit, I Love It. And ito nga ang koponan ng Level Up Lubao. Inside, no good. Rebounded here once again. Galoso, no good. Dalawang sunod. And they go running the break here. And that's a turn, or that ball will stay here with the Hustle Rising Suns. Shot clock at 12 seconds. And a foul. Knockout play once again. That will be a foul there. Galoso will be called for his second personal. First free throw dito para kay Beato, no good. Beato replaced itong si Leighton Benaventura kanina. Second free throw. And no good. And yun, narinig nyo na yung horns dito. Yun nga, mamaya, palabas nga. Mamaya, mas lalakas yan pagdating ng ating second game. Or third game, rather. Cabaluna for the 3. That's money para dito kay Steven Cabaluna. And also mamaya, you can watch our Delta Cup Finals. Nasa digital channel na ang laro na yan through CLTV 36 na partner ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda sa paghatid ng sports entertainment. Simulcast din po sa digital TV channel at Facebook page ng CLTV 36 ngayon ang streaming mamaya ng ating Delta Cup. Kaya po, abangan nyo po yung mga game natin. So it's not just through our Facebook and YouTube channels, but mamaya CLTV and also sa ating Top Sports channel mamaya rin palabas din po ang ating mga laro. So live tayo sa mga different platforms. Abangan po natin yan mamaya ang ating mga laro As we go back to the action, Alfaro no good, rebounded here. And the extra pass, Beato no good. And Beato needs to work on that inside basket dito. Pero nakuha pa rin
Yan
yung bola.
na, si Gamboa.
One more time for 3, no good. And there is a foul.
Grabe, coach. Di ako makasiyar sa sobrang dami ng tao. Seryoso. Pumunta na ako doon, di ako makasingit.
Alam mo, feeling ko, gusto nila magpa-picture sa'yo Problema, at sa dami ng tao,
Grabe.
nahihirapan din sila.
Guys, sorry, nahihingal ako ngayon dahil sobrang dami ng tao. Para ako nakipag-box out sa 5 big man.
Para ka ba nakipag-box out ka nila, Brighton Wangko?
Oo, Henry Agunani.
Henry Agunani, Luis Pablo, dun sa ilalim.
Grabe, coach.
Parang mahirapan ka makalabas dun.
Ang dami talaga. Gulat ako.
First free throw. No
Sana
good.
nakikita nila kung gaano kadami dito sa Nation.
Yes, kanina nga pinakita na natin sa kanila, sa mga fans natin. Sabihin siguro nila, bakit bakante yung green? Pero hindi, yung taas mo, titingnan mo, punong-puno na yung taas. And yung mga green chairs po na yan, kaya po yung medyo bakante pa. Because again, we do have VIPs coming in later on. So yan po ay upuan din para sa mga VIPs natin.
Yes. Actually guys, appetizer pa lang tong game na to. Mamaya pa yung steak.
Oo, parang nagugutom na ako. Tuloy na tayo dito. Lalo na dito tayo sa culinary capital of the Philippines, Pampanga. Yes. The home of the tasty sisig. Sarap.
Good pass, good shot.
And rebounded here by Tubangi.
Dwayne again.
46 seconds remaining. Dwayne Miranda, the step back. Does no good on the shot.
Grabe, takbo ng takbo.
And running here, Tubangi. Tubangi, the
Good
extra
pass.
pass na naman. Ay, yung hulog, ang ganda nun.
So far as a point guard. But kahit kanina sa first game, talagang yung mga point guard natin dito sa SLA, ang tatalino.
Yun, that's shown not just here in this ball game, but a lot of our ball games, yung mga extra passes nila. Ang gaganda ng mga pasa nila, no, Prince?
Gaganda talaga. And yung decision-making, coach.
Yes.
Siyempre ako, point guard ako. Nakikita ko talaga na magaling sila.
And would like to thank True Religion Brand Jeans Philippines, and maraming salamat po for being one of our co-presenters, and syempre CDO Food Sphere Incorporated, food that brings you home. Maraming salamat, and syempre maraming salamat din sa Converge ICT Solutions dahil nga po sa Converge doble na dinoble pa, and syempre maraming salamat din sa Royce Hotel and Casino, our official hotel partner. Maraming salamat din sa J Project Clothing Shop, our official outfitter. Maraming salamat po. And also syempre sa SM South Mall Events Place. We've got it all for you.
Nung sinabi mo CDO, nagutom ako, coach.
Ay, syempre, masarap ang mga hotdog ng CDO.
Yes.
Alam mo, nakakagutom na. Pampanga, sisig, hotdogs, ang sarap.
Ay, nako. Nagugutom na ako.
Mamaya, magpapakain daw si Direct Mike Nanad daw sa atin. And jumper dito ni Panelo, no good.
Tumitira din siya, ha?
Meron siyang tira from the outside.
Yeah,
Pero
you have to respect. Matalino talaga tong point guard na to.
And
Siningit.
Tubangi, and that is a basket there, and that will be out. And yun, digitan ang ating laro.
Yes.
For our second game, and it really shows that this game is a true appetizer for our main game and our last game of our triple header. But you see that both teams really wanting to show here in the BREN GUIAO Convention Center na sila ay gusto magsimula. As what our game story says, new beginning. This is a new beginning for both squads, as it is a 2-point lead for the Hustle Rising Suns kontra sa TGC Santa Rosa Saints. We'll be right back for more action here in your SLA Junior Philippines, born 2001.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Kasinag, we are back for a halftime interview and I am joined here today by Coach Peter Aguilar, former player for Ginebra and the father of Japet Aguilar for Hustle Rising Stars. Coach, as a newly built team, paano nyo po binuo yung tiwala ng players sa isa't isa as well as with the coaching staff?
Yung iba dyan, dati ng player eh. Tapos, yung lima, taga Cebu. Yung apat naman, APU. So, si Coach JR kasi, ang galing mag-motivate ng player yan. Kaya, ang dali nilang maintindihan yung pinapagawa niya. Yun lang.
What should we expect for the Hustle Rising Suns on your upcoming games? What should we expect for the Hustle Rising Suns on your upcoming games?
Yun nga, kailangan namin mag-adjust kasi pagka na-shootan kami, tinatakbuhan kami ng kalaban namin. Kaya ngayon, nasabi ni Coach, kapag ka nakashoot, kailangan baba kagad. Yun lang ang pinag-usapan namin.
Now, before we end, meron po ba kayong mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na nabigyan ako kami ng pagkakataon maglaro dito. At salamat sa SINAG na binuo nila to. Maganda yung ginawa nila dahil alam mo naman mga taga Pampanga, gustong-gusto yung basketball. At binabati ko pala yung taga Sasmuan at saka yung pamilya ko. At saka si Japet, nandyan ngayon sa All-Star. Salamat po sa mga bumoto sa kanya. Sana po tangkiligin natin tong SINAG. Sana supportahan natin dahil maganda po yung hangarin nila. Salamat po.
Again, Coach Peter Aguilar for Hustle Rising Suns. Now back to you, Muran Alvin.
And thank you very much. That was Francine Capili together with assistant coach and a PBA legend of his own, Peter Aguilar, the father of Japet Aguilar. And right now our score is 46-44. Our score. And let's take a look at the highlights here. Prince, itong game natin, dikitan, somewhat like the same in the first game. And a perfect appetizer sa pinag-usapan niya natin sa ating main game later on.
Yeah. And nakikita naman natin talaga na halos lahat sila kondisyon and in the right shape for this game. And especially yung mga point guard ng bawat teams, talagang ang gagaling nila mag-dish out ng mga pasa, ang gagaling nila mag-set teammates nila. As we can see naman sa stats nila, they have 7 assists and 4 assists for MJ Homo, 7 assists for Tristan Tubanggoy.
And ito muna, ito tingnan natin yung mga leading scorers. You were saying MJ Homo, 8 points. Steven Cabaluna with 7-6 para kay Dave Manelo. Dito naman David Alfaro with 8. Cliff Lapina with 8. And then Nixon Gamboa with 6. But you were talking about the orchestration dito. 7 assists already para kay Tristan Tubangi, even though 2 points lamang siya. But his orchestration really is doing wonders here para sa koponan ng Hustle Rising Suns.
Now I know why he's the first 5. And ngayon, first 5 ulit siya sa second half kasi nalilid niya ng team ni maayos.
At take note, sasabay sila ngayon ni Dwayne Miranda.
Oh, parang Evanella and Mark Nono.
Yes,
yun
and you
nila.
can see now, eto na po, napupuno na.
Yan.
Hindi na mahulugang karayom ang loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Yes.
Para nga po sa paghahanda ng ating laro mamaya. It will be the match-up that everyone is waiting for dito sa probinsya ng Pampanga, labanan ng Apalit I Love It and Level Up Lubao. That will be the match-up later on. And ang ganda nitong appetizer na.
Maganda talaga, maganda talaga.
Sabi
I'm
mo
not gonna lie.
sabi mo kung yung steak yung masarap na, pero mas masarap din yung appetizers.
Kumbaga
no?
ito, ano to French fries and mojos.
Oo, yun, tama. Eto, Dwayne
Ayan na.
Miranda. Mukhang buenas ata yung pagtapik niya sa'yo bago mag-start ito, pero may intis yung tira doon. And Tristan Tumaki will be called for the foul. And MJ Homo, we were talking about the 12 assists in their first game. Ngayon may 4 assists na siya. Andun pa rin yung orchestration nito ni MJ Homo.
Tsaka parang effortless sa kanya. No? Hindi lang sa kanya, pati sa kabantayan niya na si Tristan Tabungi.
Pero Nico Aguilar, ang missing factor here para sa Santa Rosa Saints. 32 points in their last game, 4 points only here. Somewhat like kung ano yung nangyari kanina kay RJ Guerrero.
Pero it's a little bit different with Guerrero and ngayon si Aguilar. Kasi si Aguilar, choice niyang hindi shoot eh. Parang, alam mo yun, kaya niya umiscore, pero ngayon, talagang sineset up niya muna. Kumbaga, ine-energize niya yung mga teammates niya ngayon.
2 out of 3 shooting para kay Nico Aguilar. A big difference doon kanina kay RJ Guerrero, which really struggled in the ball game kanina as a first free throw para kay Dwayne Miranda. So take a look at Coach si John Ross de la Cruz.
Parang kinuha ni Dwayne yung shooting ko. Ayan na.
Ganyan din ba siya, no? Ganyan ka rin ba pag nag-play?
Hindi. Ano ako
Ayan.
2 for 2.
2 for 2. And now ito, Nico Aguilar.
Oh, that's a nice matchup.
Aguilar kontra Montemayor, no? Dalawang veterano. Dito.
Oh, he's locking him up.
Yes, so good defense here.
He's locking him up.
Homo, the 3. That's no good.
Ayan, assist ulit to.
Assist na naman. Good defense there by Javier. That is all ball. Tubangi the drive. Yun lang, medyo wayward yung tira doon.
Yeah.
And Nico Aguilar will go all the way for his 6th point of the ball game.
Ganda tong laban na to, Coach.
Anywhere, you know, pwedeng talagang new beginning, you know, for both teams. Kasi ito, nakita mo tong Santa Rosa, kinalimutan na nila. Yung talo nila against dito sa Parañaque. And they want a new beginning here. So we take a look at this lakas assist of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you.
Tsaka ang ganda ng buhok ni Nico ngayon. Para siyang Allen Iverson.
Allen Iverson, mga batang 90s, early 2000, yan po, Allen Iverson, mga ganyan na mga gupitan. Pero alam mo kung sino naisip ko dyan, mga new kind of players. Jose Alvarado, ganyan. Grand Theft Alvarado. Wow, ganyan yung buhok niya, di ba?
Mukhang gagawin niya yung agaw ni Alvarado mamaya.
Yung agaw na mula sa, nakatago siya, no?
Oh,
yun, turnover. Yung mga unforced errors, no? Ito yung Dave Panelo, babalik ngayon dito.
Pero knowing Brian Javier, if he catch that ball, he would go for a drive.
Oo, the drive yan. And Dwayne Miranda, the pass to Dubangi. Pass to Rojan Montemayor. Montemayor to Dwayne Miranda. Top of the B3.
Grabe kumpiyansa ni Dwayne.
Alam mo yung kumpiyansa niya, yun yata yung nakuha niya talaga pagkuha ng tapik sa'yo eh.
Yun
kasi pag more Prince Alaw yun, titira talaga yun.
Titira, parang Guerrero lang eh.
Gano'n, oo. License to shoot, kahit 1 out of 12 na yung shooting mo, bibigyan ka ng license to shoot.
Pero syempre, as a player, yun talaga yung masarap sa pakiramdam na you are free to shoot.
Oo, sasabihan ko na coach mo na kahit mag 1 out of 12 ka, mag 1 out of 13 ka, pero pag tumira ka, nakapasok ka, alam ng coach mo na iinit ka anytime eh. Miranda to Tubangi. Nice find na naman.
Assist na naman.
Assist na naman niya para kay Tristan Tubangi. And a shot there, no good. And they run the break here. Talking about itong Rising Suns player na agaw dito.
Forward pass na yun.
Good steal there by Homo and a counter steal by Tobangi.
Assist ba ulit? Assist
Assist
nga
na
ulit.
naman.
Assist nga ulit. Oh!
Everything but the shot there.
Everything.
But you were talking about the point guards. And I know you are very happy. Talking about point guards, being you a point guard yourself, ang gandang pag-usapan na yung mga point guards na to, either scoring or dishing out.
Yeah. Ayun, no? Ano siya? Para siyang sino to? Si Luka Doncic kanina?
Yung player kabila, let's check the name here. Yung sa player ng kabilang koponan, let's check on the name later on. Doon. Pero, yeah, it's like the same nga nung gumawa kanina for that squad. Number 77, if I can remember it right. Pero mamaya, double check natin yan mamaya. That's a turnover there. Ayun si CJ Buitson. Yun, parang gano'n yan laro nito. Pero the difference with CJ Buitson and ito si Tobangi is more of a pass first talaga.
Yeah.
Ito, MJ Homo, no good. And si Buitson kanina, more of the offense. Pero look at that smothering defense.
Grabe.
Leading to a turnover.
Grabe yung block niya talagang niyakap niya na yung
Alam mo,
bola.
hindi lang pinayong eh. Tingnan mo to. Tingnan natin to ulit. Oh, that was a good play there. Pero hindi lang payong ang tinawag doon
Talaga. Montemayor, wala.
Alam mo, hindi payong yun eh. Yung maliit na payong. Parang yung payong sa mga tindahan, yung gano'ng kalaki. Payong.
Yung pag may nagtitinda ng mangga.
Nagtitinda ng mangga, fishball. Yung payong na gano'n yung ginawa doon eh. Pero that was a basket by MJ Homo.
Veterano.
Let's take a look at that one more time on that fast break. MJ Homo.
Ayun, no?
And kita mo, walang takot eh. Ito si MJ Homo.
Talagang kinuha niya yung angle nung depensa niya. Oh.
There you go. That's a miss there. And Montemayor now gives it up to the right side. Nice fake by Balili. May extra pass dito. Beato, no good. And rebounded by the Santa Rosa Saints.
Ganda ng pasa.
Nice pass na naman, no? Ganda ng pasahan dito ng Santa Rosa.
Talagang battle of the point guards to ngayon. Though hindi sa scoring, pero on how they lead their team.
Alam mo yung parang the point guards are being the catalyst talaga eh. The true catalyst of the game. It's not the scoring eh. It's the orchestration of the point guards. Balili, no good on the shot.
Sipag po. Ganda ng pasa pa rin.
And Rojan Montemayor, he has the green light to shoot. No good. And rebound scramble.
Sabi nga sa akin ni Daddy, pag point guard ka, general ka ng court. Kumbaga, ikaw yung pangalawa ng coach.
Oo. And we have substitutions here. Ito ba, lalabas mo si Montemayor at saka si Tobangi. Papasok mo yung dalawang nagpasimula na maganda.
Yes.
Para sa'yo, Alfaro and itong
Gamboa.
si Gamboa.
Gamboa made 2 3 points in the first half.
Yes. 51-50 the score. Mangangalahati na tayo dito sa ating third period. And Aguilar trying to break out of the defense, pero that is an offensive foul called.
Dito na i-score si Nico.
Oo.
Dito na siya kailangan.
Dito na siya needed, pero mukhang hindi na naman nagustuhan dito. Yung moving pick na naman dito. And that is a moving pick there by Jazelle Cardeño. First half, nagkaroon na yan.
Yeah.
In the second half dito, meron na naman siya. Hindi niya nagugustuhan yung tawag eh. He needs to settle it down. He needs to focus. Kasi dikitan yung laro natin.
There's no time to be frustrated sa kanyang larong to.
Oo.
Gamboa again.
Ayan, naman Gamboa, no good on the 3, rebounded. And
Takbo ulit.
tayo dito. Homo, finding Balili. Sabi niya, teka.
Balili.
That's denied.
If I'm not wrong, 3 blocks na yan.
3 blocks na yan. Alam niya eh kung saan tutungo to si MJ Homo eh. Inside and there is a foul.
Grabe.
Pero nakita mo yung depensa nitong Hustle Rising Suns. Dinidare nila. Sige, sumugod ka. Tignan mo, let's take a look at the replay. Hop, you know, huling-huli.
Grabe. Harap-harapan.
Yun yung literal na access denied. Hindi ka makakapasok dito. And the first free throw is good there para dito kay Dave Panelo. Siguro itong si Coach John Ross de la Cruz, itong ginagawa nila. Sa practice nila, no? Ito, sige, practicein nyo. Yan, sumugod kayo dyan sa mga gwardiya natin. Kasi hindi big man yung sumusupal eh.
Totoo.
Hindi big man yung mga nagbablocks. It is the small guys doing the blocks and
scoring now.
Wow!
Wow.
Not just on defense but also on offense. Tawag dun, alakoy na tira eh.
Grabe.
Eto, Aguilar, he needs to score there.
Eto na. Eto na.
He needs that.
Walang kakaba-kaba yan. Mas panalay.
Pero alam mo yung kapag open, no? Parang, sige, bigay ko sa akin.
It wasn't even open, Coach. Contested
yes, may depensa eh.
Si Layton, no? Libre? Sayang. Ay, di pa. Si Layton.
Beato yan. Si Beato nasa ilalim.
Good pass.
Ayun, Beato.
Nagulat.
Alam mo si Beato, ilang beses na yan kanina in the first half na mga easy 2 points niya pero hindi niya nakukuha. Pero Nico Aguilar, 5 points straight for him.
Yan na. Ito na. It's Nico time.
It's Nico time. The microwave oven. The microwave oven. Kasi parang nag-iinit na siya, no? Parang microwave oven.
And Coach, lamang na sila.
Yes, they are in the lead here by 4.
Open lane. Good
Ito.
pass.
Nice find to the open shot. That's a money 3.
Brian Javier.
Yes.
Shish.
And it is now a 7-point lead courtesy of the Kenneth Javier corner 3-pointer. Let's take a look at that play once again.
Ganda yun.
Inside.
Draw the defense, pass the ball outside, and he delivers.
At yan lang shot of the game na natin sa inyo ng CDO. And we will be back. It's the score, 60-53.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
0107 Management Group Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. One of our major sponsors dito po sa SINAG Liga Asya Junior Philippines. And this, you can see the crowd. Hindi na mahulugang karayom. Kung kaninang first half, may mga bakante pa dyan sa upuan dyan sa likod ng benches. And hindi na po natin mahulugang karayom dahil nga po sa paglalaro natin mamaya. At syempre maraming salamat din sa Video Gear Incorporated, our production partner dito sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Grabe yung nabuo ni Gov Delta na culture dito, no? Talagang yung suporta nila sa paglalaro ng basketball is nandyan.
Oh, yung puso, no? Andon. And that is how important the games are. Not just here for dito sa probinsya na to. Kasi ito yung nakakapagdala ng excitement sa kanila. No? It brings
Another layup.
Oh, wide open layup there.
Another layup.
And this is our first time here this year, 2024, for SINAG Liga Asya. And ganito na puno natin yung BREN GUIAO.
Parang ang trabaho ni Javier is to, pag may tumira, takbo. Takbo.
Let's push the tempo. Ika nga, di ba? Let's push the tempo. Alfaro.
Good
Yun na
team,
naman.
MJ. Nagawa ng candy.
Homo all the way.
Oh.
And nakita mo yung confidence ng Homo. No? Kahit ilang beses na akong nabablock. Ito naman, ang agaw. Tinakbo. Sige, ilang beses nyo ako nabablanka. Ipipilitin ko pa rin to. And then the confidence of MJ Homo, kitang-kita mo eh.
Tsaka para sa kanya, it's either I make this shot or I get blocked.
Ayan, let's now turn it over to Francine Capili with this story. Go ahead, Francine.
Moira and Alvin, I had the opportunity to talk to Nico Aguilar of Santa Rosa Saints, who scored 32 big points on their debut game against Parañaque Pelicans. And because even with those points, their team fell short, I asked him what his biggest challenge would be coming off from a loss. Ang sabi niya, contribution lang as a whole team, and from there, they can build up their momentum and hopefully bag their first win. Now back to you, Moira and Alvin.
Thank you very much, Franz. And that is a foul there. And sabi ni Coach Dave Gomez, bola daw yun, pero it's a foul.
Bola daw.
Bola. Let's take a look at that play once again. The post up there by Layton. Uy, medyo...
What do you think? With the stare down. Okay.
Yung stare down doon yung mas magandang pinakakita natin no?
Pero yun yung maganda The competition itself.
Yes.
Doon ka gagaling
Yung match-up nito ni Buenaventura at saka nito ni Dave Panelo, ang gandang panoorin no?
Both teams aren't making their free throws, and I told you Javier will just run.
Paghanggat pa yung pagkakataon, no? Ito pa isa, tumatakbo din, MJ Homo, but he lost the ball
At ang
there.
maganda doon, Coach, pag tumakbo yung guard, yung trailer big, sumusunod.
Yes, may kasunod lagi, no? And that is how itong Santa Rosa Saints have been running their offense well here in the third quarter.
Yes, but they have to look out for Gamboa, though.
And ito, that Santos scoring. The problem here is parang hindi pa unti-unti lang yung buhos ng puntos dito ng hustle. You were saying
Aguilar is on fire,
You were saying
guys.
8 points in the quarter for Nico Aguilar.
Told you, Coach, it's Nico time.
And he is heating up here in this quarter. Ito si Nico Aguilar, only 4 points, pero 8 points this quarter alone for Nico Aguilar. That's a traveling violation. Alam mo yung bigat ng 8 points in this quarter?
Yes.
It's 66-55. We ended the quarter, it's just a 2-point lead. Let's take a look at this. Simple. Spot up tres yan. Lakas tres of the game yan. Atin sa inyo ng Sun Sports. Ang official ball
Parang
ng
mas
Sinag Liga
gusto
Asya.
ni Nikong may bantay
Ayun,
Parang mas gusto niyang contested siya here's the matchup.
Aguilar kontra Montemayor. San Sebastian kontra FEU to. Aguilar looking to dance his way.
That's a foul.
Pero yun yung nakita mo, no? Yung dalawang players na to, magkakilala. Kahit pa paano, alam nila yung laro. Even though they are from different leagues, nagkakaroon sila ng time na naglalaban sila in different leagues. But you can see here that they know each other well. Alam nila kung opensa si Nico. Lagay natin si Rojan.
Yes.
Ayun, offensive foul naman. Pambawi naman dito.
Kay Layton.
Si Layton naman na natawagan doon.
Hassel should be careful with their possession kasi sila ngayon yung naghahabol. And AKA CJ Delfino is coming back, yo.
Ito. So, let's see. Itong kanilang point guard, no? You say it's like CJ Delfino, Tasmanian Devil, parang ding Franyu. Pero, he would like to be known as MJ Toledo.
Yes, sir.
The whirlwind from Santa Rosa. And speaking about whirlwind, kita mo yung ikot na yun?
Parang nahilo ko dun sa ginawa niya.
The three on the way, no good. Rebounded by who else? But MJ Homo. MJ Homo, the three to end the quarter, no good. But it was all Santa Rosa.
Yes.
Here in this quarter, kitang-kita naman natin yung performance nitong Santa Rosa Saints. It was all them this quarter as they were like scoring from all places, from 3-point distance, from inside, from the perimeter, and all over the court. Kayang-kaya. Kaya nga sila ay may 11 puntos na kalamangan heading into the fourth quarter of action, 66-55.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Nico Aguilar there on your screens. 8 points in the quarter, 12 points overall. And you can see his numbers in the last game, 32 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist. Continuing his hot scoring, pero hindi niya kailangan pumuntos mag-isa dito. Ang dami niyang katulong all throughout the ball game. That is why he is a marked man dito sa laro na to. But third quarter was his quarter as we start the fourth quarter here. And syempre, ito yung pamati sa atin, Boss Jun of J Project na may pabati dito. Watch live here in 23 under, mga taga-Tagum City. Abangan nyo ang 23 under dyan. Plus may special guest tayo kasama ang one and only slasher. The slasher himself, Commissioner Rodney Santos. And also, ito pinapabati dito, the tour of the Philippines, Mr. Miguelito Jose and also Mr. Vincent Ligop. And syempre, mga taga-USA na nanonood ngayon live mula dyan sa New York, Houston, New Jersey. At syempre, yung pamilya Washington sa DC, alam natin galing dyan, kagagaling-galing lang dyan ng ating president na si Sir Ray Alaw. And sa hindi ka nakasama, no?
Hindi, may lasal tayo eh. Baka tayo'y matanggal.
Hindi, syempre. May darating naman yung tamang panahon na ikaw naman na makakadalaw dyan sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Amerika.
Wow.
And Dwayne Miranda scores. And he needs to step up, talking about Dwayne Miranda.
And ngayon, sobrang boosted sila dahil kung naririnig nyo yung fans, yung crowds, talagang sumisigaw na sila and sumusuportahan nila ang hustle.
And Javier gets the ball. And Javier, nawala yung bola. Pero Karait still gets the ball. Karait, shot with shot clock running down. And Miranda gets the ball here. Miranda the pass.
Good pass.
Nice pass. And the FEU connection on full throttle here.
And 5 na lang.
Yes, kaya si Coach Dave Gomez, pumindot na ng timeout dito dahil nakikita niya na yung FEU connection is getting a good connection as this lakas assist of the game. At sa inyo ng SM South Mall, we've got it all for you. 66-61 our score.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
And you see here the Santa Rosa Saints, the TGC Santa Rosa Saints. And there you see their head coach, Coach Dave Gomez. Napatawag na nga ng timeout doon.
So far, fourth quarter, it's Dwayne Miranda ang nagpaparamdam, coach.
Yeah, ipasa niya and then yung scoring niya. Tuloy-tuloy dito, 5-point lead here.
Oh, watch out for the shooter.
MJ Homo. The pass outside, Nico
Aguilar.
Aguilar. No good. Pero alam mo yung parang inaabangan mo na lang lagi, no?
Yeah.
Nico Aguilar show dito sa second half. Miranda moves in. Pass here. Balik kay Dwayne. Dwayne will orchestrate. Miranda moves in. Miranda finding a teammate. Rojan Montemayor. Step back three. Will this be money?
Oh,
it is money.
That's tough. That's tough.
That is cash money from the FEU boys. And the FEU tandem here of Montemayor and Miranda
Last
doing
2
wonders.
plays. Oh, good pass.
Nice pass. Karait.
Good pass by Nico.
Dukot sa ilalim. Pasok yan.
Ganda talaga ng no? May sarili-sarili silang sistema pero parehas lang sila ng ginagawa.
Yung connection no?
Yeah.
Ang ganda. And yung drive na yun ni Miranda.
Dwayne's being aggressive right now.
Yun yung kailangan i-work out nito ni Dwayne Miranda. Let's take a look at this. Nice pass there. fake name niya. Montemayor,
back.
step back. At yung lakas-shot of the game na yan. At sa inyo ng CDO food that brings you home.
He needs to make this.
Dwayne Miranda, in confidence niya all at an all-time high right now.
Now we have a close game. Third quarter, it was all Santa Rosa. Now, it's a close game.
Gumising na itong Hustle Rising Suns. Pero mintis yung free throw doon ni Dwayne Miranda.
Sabi ni Nico, ako na magbababa, MJ, I got you.
And you have the three guys here. MJ Homo, MJ Toledo, Nico Aguilar. Toledo. The whirlwind. Pass to Homo.
Spin
Homo!
Oh, Lord!
Nico Aguilar!
And that's a foul.
Yeah, that's a foul there. Pero you saw there, it started with the three guys, you know. Toledo with the drive. Then you give it to Homo. The Homo with the drive. Yung depensa, nawawala, you know. And you find an opening in Nico Aguilar.
Make 2, guard 1. Diba? Para mas malibre.
And free throws here for Nico Aguilar.
These free throws are crucial for Nico.
And Leighton Buenaventura will check
Oh.
in. And that's a miss. Malaking bagay sana yan. Second free throw for Nico. And he makes it. So one more free throw here for the squad of Coach Dave Gomez. And alam mo naman to si Coach Dave Gomez, he builds a winning culture here for the Santa Rosa. We all know doon sa 40, sa lakas 40 natin, wherein they won the title, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun kultura nun, gusto nila dalhin dito sa mga babata ng TGC Santa Rosa Saints.
Pero naging kondisyon yung mga 40 up natin. Ha?
Oo, yun nga. And, or rather, the first runner up pala sila nun. We all know that Firewire won the title there.
Oh,
That's a steal there by Toledo.
it was still by his teammate.
Oo, yun nga eh. And Nico Aguilar scores.
Turnovers lead to scores.
And syempre, dito, all-out support din, not just the entire Pampanga, the province of Pampanga. Syempre, nandito yung mga boss natin. Chairman Rocky Chan is here. Commissioner Rodney Santos. President natin, si Sir Ray Alaw is here. And COO, Leo Isaac. Syempre, nandito rin si Ma'am Janice Chan. And also, syempre, Boss Jun Mingonon of J Project nandito. And syempre, your mom is here.
Yeah.
So, Boss Jun Linogon. Yan. Sorry, na-excite tayo kasi. Sorry na, direct. And,
I like how Dwayne is taking control of this game.
pero ito, na-control niya Anthony Toledo. Toledo all the way for the basket. And the three-headed guards of the Santa Rosa Saints kumo-contribute dito sa takbo natin.
Back to 8 points, coach.
And
Leighton working
Leighton.
inside.
No good. Rebound.
Oh!
Leighton. And he was fouled. Hinawakan daw sa likod.
And syempre, sa mga ganitong oras, coach, kailangan mo na ng matinding veterano.
Yun.
Sino ipapasok mo for hustle? Syempre, sino pa ba?
Ito,
Si Tristan Tubaki.
And that is a shot there. You saw that by MJ Toledo. Itong trio talaga ng Toledo, Homo, at saka Aguilar. Ang ganda ng performance dito sa laro natin. Pass here, Leighton Buenaventura, no good. Nico Aguilar with the rebound. And Aguilar will bring it down. Aguilar from Steph Curry country, no good.
Oh!
Karait. Alam mo yung iniisip ni Aguilar, titira ko to, pero andyan eh, may re-rebound at re-rebound.
So yun yung tiwala nila sa isa't isa.
Yes,
yun yung
that's
chemistry na build nila during the off-season.
Montemayor, the pass to Miranda.
Good pass.
Tobangi.
You have to make it.
Oh! Patay ang butiki.
That's a bad miss.
And rebound, and a quick play there by MJ Homo.
The good thing about Santa Rosa is, if they miss, they're just gonna go run again.
Oo, takbuhan eh. Talagang they live and die with a fast break. Pass inside.
Turnovers.
Nawala kay Tobangi and
Coach, it's the turnovers that's killing them. Hindi yung hindi yung hindi sila nakaka-shoot. It's the turnovers.
And we hope to check on the turnover numbers. Ilan na ba yung turnovers? Hopefully we get to check ilang turnovers na parehas na kupunan dito. Pero looks like turnovers numbers natin lamang dito tong Hustle Rising Sun.
Yeah. Good pass. Another good pass.
Homo moves in. Homo! And that is outside of the cylinder. Nag-uusap yung dalawang referees natin. Uy!
Oh! It's an offensive foul.
That's outside eh. That's outside of the that's outside of the cylinder. Kaya sabi ni MJ Homo, ay ba na Ventura, naisahan mo ako dun ah.
Magkakilala yan.
Oo. Pero you can see that's outside of the cylinder
Yeah.
nga naman. So it can be called as an offensive foul. Miranda moves in. Dwayne. The pass. Tristan
You have to
Tumangi.
make this. Yes.
He made the adjustment.
And now we're out for 7 points.
Ito, turnover numbers dito. Santa Rosa with 20. And Hustle with 15. So, lamang pa dito sa turnovers. Itong Santa Rosa. But, oh, that's a money three. Cash money.
Well, ang Santa Rosa kasi pag nagto-turnover ang kalaban, nako-convert nila eh.
And Dwayne Miranda is asking for a continuation, but it was downstairs. On MJ Homo. And Dave Panelo now will check back in. So, ito na naman yung matchup nila ni Leighton Buenaventura. And look at that, Panelo with the rebound. MJ Homo, the pass. Nico Aguilar fakes it. And
Good
pass.
pass.
Dave Panelo.
Wow.
And sabi ni Nico, wow.
Goggles, bro. I can see you. God.
Goggles ba? Binoculars ata yan eh. Dahil he can see it. And Toledo, nakaagaw doon pero may foul doon.
Grabe.
Let's
Ito,
take a look at
nakikita
that.
natin.
Nice
Oh.
pass. So, an off-balance shot there mula kay Dave Panelo.
Tumago sa 4 na depensa yun.
Nakita pa niya yun eh, no? Naisingit niya sa butas ng karayom.
Actually, he was about to shoot it. Then, uy, may nakaputing jersey. Oh.
Alam mo yung coaching standpoint, pagka ganun, uy, okay, sige na. Okay na tayo.
It's the free throws for the Hustle team, coach.
Alam mo, para kapag si Coach Topic siguro yun, o si Coach Oliver, pagka ginawa mo yun,
Medyo
magagalit, pero uy, okay na, sige na. Good pass. MJ Homo pass. And that is,
Warning for flopping.
I think, it's not just a warning, it's a technical, I think, second infraction na ata yan. Let's see. Is that, or because nasa ilalim kasi nangyari yun. And under the FIBA rules, if that is under dun sa cylinder, and then it did a flop on the under the cylinder or dun sa cylinder, that's an automatic technical. Oh, yun nga. Ito yung kiniklearing ng mga referee natin. I think, yeah, the flop is on the cylinder. So, dun sa semicircle natin. So, under FIBA rules, that is an automatic technical.
Yes. Nico makes it, of course.
Well, kailangan niya bawiin yan. 1 out of 3 siya doon sa huling trip niya sa free throw line. Pero still, the possession will go to Hustle because they got the possession already. Talking about the Rising Suns.
You have to convert this. Oh.
Pero this is already a Baker's dozen lead here for the Santa Rosa Saints. 13 puntos na to. So better execution in their game here for the Santa Rosa Saints.
Nico hasn't made the 3 points this quarter, no? Coach?
Yeah, not yet. But he's doing the orchestration better here. As Leighton Buenaventura inside, no good. Rebounded here by the guys in white. As we are about to enter the Twilight Zone here, Prince.
Yes,
And
sir.
we are entering now the Twilight Zone, the last 2 minutes of this second game. the perfect appetizer for our main event later on. MJ Homo,
Good pass.
another good pass.
Good pass.
Another basket.
Oh! Toledo stole the ball.
Toledo naman. Isipin mo, no? Kung hindi si Toledo, si MJ Homo, aagaw.
Grabe.
Aguilar mula sa long distance. And no good.
Grabe. Kumpiyansa ni Nico, ibang klase.
Tumaas yung kumpiyansa niya after a good third quarter. Dwayne Miranda with a drive and score. But again, it's a Bakers dozen lead here. 13 points, 83-70. 1 minute and 21 remaining here. And MJ Homo will settle it down. Homo, the pass. And that is a traveling violation. Nauna yung talon.
Sabi sa akin ni Nico, pagod na daw siya, kaya hindi na daw siya makashoot.
Pero 1 minute 11.
Yeah.
Konti tease na lang, Nico. Dwayne Miranda.
Oh,
Yeah,
Toledo.
Toledo. He has been the main catalyst in the defensive end here. Leighton Benaventura, huli. Pero Tristan Tombangi scores.
They have to foul, I think.
Yes, pero Cardenio here. 11-point lead here. And MJ Homo will just melt the clock down. 14 seconds remaining here. Homo. A made basket here will be big here. That will put the nail on the coffin here. And a shot no good.
Oh, something happened with MJ.
And the layup there with Tomangi, no good. And that will go out. I think it's cramps already para dito kay MJ Homo.
Yeah.
26 seconds, sabi ni MJ, sige, kakayanin ko ba to?
Pero katulad na sinabi niyo sa akin kanina, Coach, yung last game nila is yung bench ng kalaban nila is nagpanalo.
Yes.
Now I know, now I understand na kailangan mag-step up ng bench ng Santa Rosa for them to win.
And a foul here is called here. But too late, the hero na ba to? Because of the foul, dapat kanina ba?
Yeah.
And penalty situation. And Tristan Tobangi will now foul out here. Nag-graduate na si Tristan Tobangi. Alam mo ba, malapit na ang graduation season?
Hey, Nico, hindi pa tapos yung game. Why are you
Hindi pa.
in the bench, bro?
And MJ Homo moves in. MJ Homo, the pass once again. And Mali with the ball. And they will just score here one more time. And
Santa Rosa.
The Santa Rosa, or the TGC Santa Rosa Saints, will now get their first win of the tournament, evening their record at 1-1. While for the Hustle Rising Suns, back to the drawing board for them as they lose this matchup. The final score nga natin, it is 83-74. Coach Dave Gomez will go back to Santa Rosa, Laguna, a happy man.
Yeah.
Mahaba-habang biyahe yan, pero masaya dahil nanalo sila dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Once again, our final score, it's 83-74. And it was an exciting game with the guards really carrying the load for both squads. And we are just awaiting our player of the game, our best player of the game.
Siyempre, Coach, kaya nanalo ang Santa Rosa is every turnovers ng kalaban nila is nako-convert nila to into points.
Yes. It's the guards. The guards were the main story. Yes. We're talking about MJ Homo, MJ Toledo, and even Nico Aguilar. They were the key factors here, but our player of the game was the integral part of that third quarter, wherein he scored 8 points in that quarter, and they never looked back. At kasama nga ngayon ni Francine Cabili, ang ating player of the game. France?
I am here with today's best player of the game from Santa Rosa Saints, Nico Aguilar, with 21 points, 5 rebounds, and 5 assists. First of all, congratulations, Nico. My question for you, from time to time, nahahabol ng hustle yung score nyo. Pero you made an effort to keep it a close game and lumaki rin yung lamang. How were you able to pull it off?
Like I said kanina, sabi ko po sa inyo, yun yung kulang namin last game. Kaya yun yung ginawa namin this game. Nung first half, medyo bad start pa kami pero naka-recover yung mga second group and third group namin. Kaya nakuha po namin itong panalo to because of our defense.
Now, coming off from a loss against Parañaque, may mga nagbago ba May mga nagbago ba sa mindset mo para manalo sa game na ito?
Ang mindset ko lang is keep compose yung sarili ko, lead ko yung mga teammates ko, and yun lang.
Before we end, may mga gusto ka bang batian at pasalamatan?
Nagpapasalamat ako kila Consi Edward, Salvador, Roy Gonzalez, yung boss namin, TGC, and Saints family, and Mrs. ko nandito, and si Miguel, yung tropa ko na taga Pampanga, and yung mama at papa ko, yung mami at daddy ko, and yung si Tito Peter Aguilar po. Boss Jel Alonte. Yun lang po.
Now back to you, Muran Alvin.
Thank you very much, friends. And that was our player of the game, Nico Aguilar. A great game once again for Nico Aguilar. And right now, syempre gusto natin magpasalamat once again to the shining prince himself. For Prince Alaw, at maraming salamat for being our analyst for this game. And I know this is not the last, hopefully not the last na magkakatrabaho tayo for SINAG Liga Asya born 2001. At marami pa tayong pagtatrabahuhan dito, and hopefully we get to see you sa UAP real soon also.
Yes, sir. That's our goal. And thank you for SINAG Liga Asya for having me. And thank you din sa kay Gov Delta sa culture na binibuild niya dito sa Pampanga, dahil wala tayong ibang nakikita dito kundi suporta at puso nila sa basketball. And ngayon, nakita natin yung mga player natin sa SINAG Liga Asya na nag-i-step up. Eh marami pang natututunan, kaya mas lalo sila may expose, and doon makikilala pa sila lalo. So thank you po, Coach, for having me. And let's all be prepared for the next game sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Yes, and thank you very much once again for Prince Alaw. And right now, tapos na po ang ating mga laro for SINAG Liga Asya born 2001. Pero hindi pa po tayo tapos sa ating mga laro for today. Our next game, it is the main event, our Delta Cup Finals Game number 3. Winner goes to win the title. And it will be the matchup between Apalit, I Love It, and Level Up Lubao. For everyone here in our SINAG Liga Asya, for Franz Capili, our courtside reporter for more Prince Alaw. My name is Alvin Tañada, and this has been your SINAG Liga Asya SLA Junior Philippines 2001. This has been a production brought to you by SLA Sports Production. Good day, and see you later.